Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Daybreak. First, let's get started with the setup. Place the main Earth board and the crisis tokens in the center. Each player selects a nation, taking their unique cards and tokens. Arrange the 6 solution boards around the main board, adding their specific tokens. Finally, distribute starting resources like influence and power to each player, preparing for a global challenge. Playing Daybreak involves a clear 4-phase turn structure. You begin by drawing new crisis cards, representing global challenges, and solution cards, offering ways to combat them. Next, players strategically take actions, deploying solutions to reduce emissions or mitigate existing crises. This phase is crucial for collaborative efforts. Finally, you'll check for crisis escalation and monitor the global temperature, which determines the game's progress. Winning Daybreak requires a collective effort to achieve global resilience. Your team must deploy enough solutions to accumulate a total of 24 resilience points across all nations. Conversely, defeat can occur in 2 main ways. If the global temperature rises to 5 degrees Celsius, the world becomes uninhabitable. You also lose if too many crises escalate, overwhelming your ability to respond effectively. For an easier Daybreak experience, focus on a few key strategies. Prioritize deploying solutions that directly reduce global emissions, as this is vital for long-term success. Work together to mitigate crises that impact several regions, sharing the burden and maximizing efficiency. Remember to leverage your nation's unique abilities and cards, as they offer powerful advantages. Collaboration is key to saving the planet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.